Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel Big City Crypto. So guys, I am here back again with new meme token. The project name is mmint.io. This is the first free meme token in 2024. So I tell everything about the project in this video. Please watch this video complete and also subscribe our YouTube channel. Then press the bell icon for notify our all updates and videos. And also see a small disclaimer, I'm not your financial advisor. This is not investment advice. So first of all, you can check out here mmint, the first free meme token, the sole project with the thriving live ecosystem. They have very good ecosystem. It has a maintaining to market presence since 2022, making it an influential and enduring player in the crypto space. You can click here explore. You can also check out home, about, roadmap, web3 domains, and here you can see the stake is also available. So first of all, you can check out here all the social links here, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, WhatsApp and Instagram provided. mmint's achievement, you can check out, they have 85k holders. They achieved 20 plus listed exchanges, 7% our live ecosystem, 10% presence and crypto events. Our ecosystem manage web3 domain, most powerful web3 domain with our 85k plus registration. It's your given name and take control of your digital identity. Begin with the web 3.0 domain. So they have very big community in the project, almost 85k plus, and you can check out explore more Mango tree. If I scroll down, you can check out Mango blockchain. Here you can see the explore Mango scan, Mango smart chain, improving tech fee innovation, transparent secure transaction, explore real time insight with the Mango scan. If I scroll down, you can check out Mango Swap. This is a all-in-one project, Mango Wallet, and we are available Coinbase, BitGet, Binance Main Wallet, and CoinStats, OKKS, Coinbase, CoinTiger, and La Token, MetaMask, PancakeSwap, CoinStore, XT, and KY. If I click on the CoinStore, you can also check out. First of all, you can see here the roadmap. So you can see here phase 1 launched pre-sale at price of 0.01 brand awareness. First free meme token launch attended Crypto Expo Dubai. Phase 2 listed on PancakeSwap, CoinGecko listing, CoinMarketCap listing, win the best crypto debit award of Crypto Expo Asia. Here you can see the phase 3 kill 10 and the raise price. You can check out and the listed on top Centralized exchange to achieve 1000 rank on the CoinGecko. Phase 4, here you can see the phase 5, phase 6 and all of the phase 8. Token economics powered by Binance Smart Chain. You can check out here. Token contract has 0% tax fee. This is very amazing. Zero tax fee if you do any transaction. You're not cutting any fee. Total supply, you can also check out all the supply. 30% supply mmint token will be burned. 60% supply has been staked locked by users. Only 10% of the supply in the circulation. Explore for BSC scan. I also open the BSC scan. You can check out our partner, auditory partner, and all the partner is also showing. You can also check out all the events and the blog. So this is the end of the home page. You can also check out email is also provided. You can also contact on the email. So now one thing, I am comparison this project to the Dogecoin. What is Dogecoin? And Dogecoin is also a famous meme coin. I also show you. You can check out, this is the Dogecoin. First of all, we talk about our latest gem. You can check out Mango Man Intelligent. Here you can see the market cap. You can also check out volume 24 hour. You can also check out 24-hour graph and volume, market cap, and the calculating supply, total supply, max supply, fully diluted supply. You can check out Binance Smart Chain contract is also provided here. You can add to MetaMask, add to Trust Wallet, website, Twitter, Telegram, everything provided here. You can also check out this project growing very fast. You can also check out the last chart. So if I scroll down, scroll up, you can also check out the full price production about the project. You can also check out the trading view, compare with if you want to compare with the other coin. You can, if I click on the Dogecoin, after clicking the Dogecoin, you can check out here this project Dogecoin with mmint is growing very fast. With this is a latest Dogecoin. So you can also check out the Dogecoin comparison. You can also check out they have total market. Dogecoin is going to very down and this project going to very up. So that's why it's a 100x potential gem in 2024. So let's talk about some other detail. You can check out here on the BSC scan our supply, total supply. I already tell about all the supply here. So price, you can also check out price and the launch market cap, calculating supply, latest buy, sale, claim, and transfer, and the swap is also put here. This is the contract address. You can also copy here. This is the Twitter account. You can check out Mango Mint Mental. This is the handle of Twitter. Mimic your gateway to a native DeFi Web3 solution. Unlock the power of multi-factor ecosystem with Mimic Coin. Check your link tree for detail. You can also check out all the pinned posts and the latest update they provide here on the Twitter account. So you can see here the ecosystem Mimic rockets 15% and 7 days. Don't miss out. Buy now. How to buy? Simply you can click on buy now, then click on PancakeSwap. You can also check out the link tree also provide here. If you want, if I go back on the website, you can check out here all the features, all the information provide here. You can check out we are available and click on buy now. If you want to buy, then click on buy now, and the PancakeSwap will be open. So Web3 domain, and this is stake. If I click on the stake, you can also check out stake here, Web3 domain. I also show you the Web3 domain. After going to the stake option, you can check out here staking opening. Simply you need to connect your wallet. First of all, you need to click on connect wallet. After clicking the connect wallet, you can connect MetaMask, and the wallet connect its main trust wallet. I using the MetaMask. I select on the MetaMask. After selecting the MetaMask, I need to just enter the MetaMask password, and then my wallet has been connected. So I enter the password here. After I click on the unlock, and after clicking the unlock, my wallet has been successfully connected. You can see here. Then you need to just click on the got it, and then I click on the got it, then I click on next, then I click on connect, and my MetaMask account has been successfully connected. So after connecting the wallet, you can check out here stake to earn Mimic total supply, and the minimum stake you can check out here DPR 15%, earn duration of 1400 days, label bonus 1 10%, 2 5%, 3 4%, 4 2%, L 5 6, and 1% L 7 10, 0.5%. You can also check out stake and earn Mimic. You can also check out here staking the project. If you need to just click on more option, you can also check here more option, buy with Mango Intelligent, view Mango Intelligent contract, and then intelligent chart. If I click on the intelligent chart, you can also check out here the PoCoin chart. Welcome to the Mango Tree Web3 domain. About us, you can also check out here the domain, about the project, the benefit, evaluate assets, global accessibility, exclusive benefits, popularity. So you can also check out here partner and the how to work registration, choose your MMT name, income, start earning. So it's very easy method. You can check out here coming FAQ section, blog, and the Get Mango app. You can also download on the App Store and the Play Store. If I open the Play Store, you can also contact us, Mango Tree, and all the information provided here. After going to the PoCoin, you can check out here PoCoin chart. So guys, here you can also check out the PoCoin, Mango, Man, Intelligent, MMT, BNB. You can also check out here. You can also use the best indicator for price prediction. You can also check here the buy and sell about the Mimic project. You can also see the price prediction, transaction, contract holder also provided. So main thing is how to buy this project, and you can also check out Linktree website, global Twitter, global Telegram, and BitGet, add Mimic to coin market cap, Chinese Twitter, Chinese Telegram, and all the links provided here. You can also check out. So how to buy this project? Simply I click here to reset. After clicking, first of all, you need to copy this contract address. Simply copy this address and go to the PancakeSwap exchange. So guys, after opening the PancakeSwap, you need to just paste here the contract address you copied. You can also check out. You need to click on just import, then click on I understand. After clicking the understand, then click on processed option. You also need to connect your wallet here, and after entering your amount, how much you want to buy the token. If I suppose buy with 1 BNB like 510 USD, you will be get like something token here. I don't have any balance, so that's why it's not showing insufficient BNB balance. When you have balance, you can buy this token easily, and you can, if you want to add your token in your MetaMask, then simply go to the coin market cap, then enter the click on add to MetaMask, and your token will be successfully added to your account. So it's very easy method to buy this project, but buy at your risk and do your research first before buying. So I hope you understand everything. If you have any question relative to this project, you can do a comment in our video, and must join the project community like Telegram, Twitter, and all the social links. So I hope you understand everything. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. We will meet in our next video. Take care of yourself.